Okay.
Sarah wants revenge.
Hi, Azalea. We are reviewing for Chapter 10 test. Welcome.
What do you call a pig that does karate?
Read.
Pork chop.
You too. I'm not going to have to speak to you today.
Okay.
I'm saying that in faith.
Faith?
Yes. I have faith. You can do it.
I'm on YouTube.
All right. So, and we want to keep score, of course.
Yay!
It's the most competitive class in the school.
Very competitive. Why is literally fourth through sixth the most competitive class?
Well, it always is because me and Sarah make it competitive. Sarah and Gavin. Gavin's just gonna trick Laura out.
I really love this.
I make
I
it.
like it.
It's really neat.
Alright.
Sarah and I did terrible yesterday. I was
Only
making a
sometimes
longhouse and
if you
we
don't
started
relate.
building another longhouse. We're gonna prove Mrs. LePage wrong on how we can be quiet, okay, Gavin?
I think she just wants us to do that.
Yeah, that's kind of the point.
I wanted to like.
But that's all right. No, you can show me how well you can do it.
We got.
All right. So
3 words only.
we're gonna start back at the beginning of the test since Azalea needs the review. And we haven't done this. We did this yesterday, but I forgot to record, so we're doing it today again.
Yay.
But it's a good refresher for all of us, right? There's definitely some that we didn't know yesterday. All right,
I had
Isabel.
one.
Seriously.
You missed a few too, Reed.
No, I would never.
Yes.
All right, Isabel. The brightness of a star is
Magnitude.
its magnitude. Very good. All right. Yeah, the highlighter one doesn't.
I can't see my name.
That's all right. I can see it. There. It's glow in the dark.
I
You
can
have to
barely
see
see it.
Gavin.
I can see
All right,
mine.
Sarah.
One?
The measurement. Oh wait. You guys are gonna get the same exact questions as you did last time.
No. Yeah, we are because it was the same order and the
Change
same
the
order
order.
of the test.
Gotta
Okay.
change
Yes.
the order.
All right, I'm going to Gavin now. The measurement of a star's apparent movement over time is known as
Absolute magnitude.
the measurement of a star's apparent movement over time. Parallax. Very good. All right, read. Blank are the largest and brightest stars.
I thought it was dwarf stars. Or it's super giants.
Super giant.
Wait,
Is
but
correct.
then our sun isn't a supergiant.
Huh?
Our sun isn't a supergiant.
No, the sun is dwarf. It just looks so big because it's so close.
Also, I got the same questions yesterday because you put Isabel, Gavin, me, and now just Gavin's replacing Sarah's spot, so it'll be me.
That's all right. It'll work out once we go through a couple rounds. All right,
You should
Sarah.
just go Isabel, Gavin, Sarah.
No, not Isabel first.
All right. When this is for Sarah. When an existing star flares up and becomes brighter than normal, it is called. Do you want the choices?
Space.
Is it a dwarf, a supergiant, a nebula, or a nova?
A nova?
Yes.
You shouldn't have gave her the chance to hear the.
All right. Well,
Well, she did you it all
I
yesterday.
think
so.
tomorrow when we review, we'll do it
I-
without any of the
I
choices.
didn't need it at all yesterday.
And then by the time we get through that, oh well, no, tomorrow we're working on our projects, but we'll get there. All right, Isabel. Stars that repeatedly or regularly change in magnitude. Variable stars. Variable stars. Very good.
See my reader.
All right, Gavin. A neutron star that spins rapidly on its axis. Is that a pulsar, a giant star, a nova, or a red star? Pulsar. Very good. All right, read. A cloud of dust, gases, and debris.
I think that's a nebula.
That's a nebula. Very good. All right, so you guys are experts on this stuff already.
Expert. Or they just remember everything from you.
All right, Sarah. Smaller stars like our sun are
Dwarfs? Wait,
dwarfs.
yeah.
Yes. All right. I feel like I can't catch my breath. Okay. Read. Wait, am I going the right way?
I think
No,
it's
it's
Isabel.
Isabel. When a massive supergiant star collapses and
Black hole.
disappears from space, it is a black hole.
Let him finish his sentences.
Yeah.
Bro.
All right, Gavin.
I'm still having that theory with the psychic power.
All right, yes. A group of stars that form a pattern is called.
Constellation.
Very good. Telescopes that bend light to make objects seem larger. Oh, that's Lee's question.
No, this is the one that I did bad on. Choices, please.
Refracting, reflecting, spectroscope, or a radio telescope.
So now what's the question?
Telescopes that bend light to make objects seem larger.
Is it a refracting telescope?
Refracting telescope.
Aw.
Very good.
Yeah.
All right. And we're,
Sarah.
oh, did you steal from somebody? How did
No.
we?
No, Sarah and I, remember, we're not going in order. We're going Isabel, Gavin, Reed, then Sarah.
Oh, right. Jared's last now, kind of. All right. A blank is a large group of stars held together by gravity.
And, well,
There
That's
you go.
very good handwriting.
Ah, all
That's
right.
a bad
is it,
one.
wait, how many stars in it?
It just says a large group of stars held together by gravity. Is that a supergiant, a galaxy, a star cluster, or a constellation?
A star cluster.
Yes. Very good.
I thought it was a galaxy for a second. Yes, I think.
What is the definition of a galaxy?
Where all the planets and the stars are.
There's got to be a specific.
Fun
Because
time.
there's several different galaxies. It's in your book.
Isn't it the Lodge, the galaxy? No, the Milky Way?
The Milky Way is our galaxy, and
But
we're
the Lodge is in the Milky Way.
part of the local group.
Local group. Local group. The
Lodge.
Lodge. Local group.
Loco Sloop.
Is that like a thing that you guys have been saying? Because Leanna keeps saying the BFF Lodge.
What? What the heck is that?
Is that like a group or something?
No.
It might be their, like, course thing. No?
Oh.
Who's saying the BFF Lodge?
Leanna, she put up little papers all over my classroom that say BFF Lodge, and then it has all the K through 2 names in it.
I'll have to ask her.
I'm looking it up right now.
Oh, BFF means best friends forever.
Well, I know that.
Oh my
It's
gosh.
Best Friends Forever Lodge.
Well, yeah, I just didn't know where they got the lodge from. Like, I
guess
guess
they
lodge,
were-
I think of like a snow lodge. Like,
That's
That's what I was.
all right, galaxy is
I'm looking it up, but it's not in here.
after star cluster. A galaxy is a huge star system that contains millions or even billions of stars and covers many light years of space. All right, so that's a star system. Okay, whose question was that?
Mine, so it's Isabel.
All right, Isabel, true or false? Stars are glowing balls of gases that produce light.
True.
True. All right, Gavin. True or false? Red stars are the hottest stars.
False. Red stars are the coldest stars. Blue are the hottest.
Very good. All right, Reed. Radio telescopes break starlight into colors. Wait, I feel like you did get this question last time.
I don't think I did.
Can you read the question again?
Radio telescopes break starlight into colors.
I'm just gonna have to go for it. True.
That is false. Who can tell me?
Wait, if I tell you which one breaks down light into colors, then can I get the point?
Sure.
Reflecting
No,
colors.
wait, no.
Nope.
Okay.
All right.
She's about to
Can I try it again?
All right. Well, I'll go to
No,
Sarah
I
this
told you
time.
it.
So can you say the question again? I know.
Radio telescopes break starlight into colors.
It is false because they kind of detect a star that doesn't give up an output. I know what the right star. I don't.
Okay. Well, that is true. Yes. All right. So Isabel,
Spectroscope.
spectroscope. All right. Very good. All right. So you both got a bonus point.
Oh, that's right. Okay.
And now it's my turn.
All right. And now it's Sarah's turn.
Miss LePage, I have a question.
Yes.
Whenever we get something wrong, can you get a point and see how many points you can get?
Yeah, sure. That's what Mr. B did last time, and he ended up with the last note.
Yeah. I finished in last place. That's a good sign.
Well, yeah. That's what we want.
Yes.
Yeah. If he won, then I'd
Then
be
we'd be
worried
worried
about
about
you
the
guys.
test, yes.
All right. So we're up to Sarah, and it's true or false. The sun is the closest star to the Earth.
And it's very true.
Yes. Very true. All right, Isabel. The Milky Way is the galaxy in which we live.
Wait, what? Very, 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 very true.
Oh, because she goes first. That's why.
Oh,
Although
she's
how
getting the same questions, and I am too. Can Isabel and Gavin switch and no, and then me and Sarah switch? So then we all get different ones.
Yeah, I feel like
Because
we're
Isabel's getting the
getting
same
the
ones,
same one.
and I'm getting the same ones that I failed on yesterday.
Yeah.
So I prefer to go on a different cycle.
All right. So
It goes
let's just
Gavin.
see though, because Isabel just went. No. She didn't answer yet. So we'll just do this randomly then. So wait. So now everybody is even. Everybody's had the same amount of turns at this point. So I'm gonna do Reed first,
Yeah.
and then we'll just do this way, and Sarah will be last.
Okay.
Sorry, Sarah.
Sarah has the same questions.
All right, Reed.
Yes.
True or false? The Milky Way is the galaxy in which we live.
True.
True.
I was literally just about to say that though. I started saying it, I said, and then you.
Oh.
You know how easy that was. That one was
That's
that one was
alright.
easy.
Okay, Gavin. True or false? Stars reflect light.
No, because they make it.
Very good.
Dang
Alright, Isabel. 2 or 3 stars held together by gravity.
it. Star cluster.
Star group. Very good.
Why? Why would you get the one
Alright.
on the most one? Wait a minute. How did this work? Oh.
Because I didn't say the right one, but then I did say the right one.
Alright, Sarah. A huge star system that covers many light years of space.
It is a galaxy.
Very good.
It's actually a chocolate milk.
Alright, so now we're back to
Wait, if
Reed.
there's a Milky Way, is there a chocolate Milky Way?
No.
Okay.
Breed. A chunk of frozen gases, water, and dust that orbits the sun.
Oh my gosh, I forget. I think it's a comet or a. I'm gonna go with comet.
Yes. Very good.
Yeah.
All right.
Sarah, I'm already behind one and I can't catch up ever again.
So remember that a comet orbits the sun. Because there's two that you could be confused about here. But the next one is going to go to Gavin. Made of irregularly shaped pieces of rock, metal, and dust.
Is there choices? Just say no.
Well, yes, but we've said all of the other ones. Asteroid is the correct answer. Very good. Alright, so you remember that an asteroid
Here, what in your eat?
is irregularly shaped rock, metal, and dust. And then the other one that we have is a meteoroid. What's the difference between an asteroid and a meteoroid? Do you know, Sarah?
A meteor. No, wait. Is it a meteor that a meteoroid hits the Earth's surface, and then asteroid is just like.
I thought a meteorite that hits Earth.
Meteorite is the one that comes through Earth's into
I don't
Earth's atmosphere.
Is a meteoroid smaller than a meteor?
Let me see. Asteroids are irregularly shaped pieces of rock, metal, and dust. Meteoroids are a rocky object in space that is smaller than an asteroid.
Yeah, I got that right.
Okay, and then a meteorite is one that hits Earth's surface. Okay, and when a meteoroid moves quickly, causing friction, it gives off light that is called a meteor. So, yeah, tricky there. You have to distinguish between those. Yes, Isabel. Can I go get one? Yes. All right, so that was Gavin's question. Oh, so we're up to Isabel. You want to answer your question first?
Yes.
Wait, that was my question?
Yeah.
Yes. Yeah, you said
Wait, no, that
asteroid.
was Sarah's.
Oh, yeah.
No, that
No,
was
it's-
his. Oh,
Yeah,
never mind.
Sarah was raising her
No,
hand.
I
to say
when they
what
were
the difference
talking
was.
about meteoroids.
What is the scientific study of the stars called?
Astronomy.
Yes, very
I was
good.
about to say astrology.
All right.
Okay, what is
And Sarah. Wait, what? You know what question
what
is
is
going
the distance of, what is the, I forgot. But what is the something? I know.
What is the difference between apparent magnitude and absolute magnitude?
Apparent magnitude is how it looks to us, and absolute magnitude is how bright a star actually is.
Yes. Very good.
Oh, snap.
All right.
Snap.
Read.
Yes.
What is the relationship of the Milky Way to the local group? Oh, what? That's why it's not cooling off in here. Oh, the AC's been on since this morning. How come it's not cold in here yet?
But we didn't only turn it on recently. This is after one on in the morning.
Oh,
So it wasn't that bad in the morning.
yeah. I don't know. I felt muggy up in my room
Well, upstairs.
first thing in the morning.
Upstairs
So
worse.
yeah, that's how I was like. As soon as we all got in the classroom, I was like, yeah, let's get the air
I never
conditioner.
needed any air conditioning down there because it was
Right.
cold down there, actually.
Yeah. All right. So, Bree, did you answer your question?
No, I have not. I don't even know.
All right. What is the relationship of the Milky Way to the local group?
There's a bunch of stars and planets in it.
You answered this question earlier. Similar question.
What was the question?
It's about the Milky Way.
Oh, the Milky
Oh,
Way.
that's right. We did just say this.
Well, yeah, I mean, it was a
Minutes ago.
similar question. It was different words,
Yeah.
but
Can you repeat the question?
What is the relationship of the Milky Way to the local group?
Sarah, there's no point if I get it wrong. Miss LePage gets the point, Sarah.
But if you do get it wrong, I want to.
Oh, I see why you want to do that. Because you don't want anybody else getting bonus points.
Yeah, but you said yes.
Man, you are a little scammer.
Hey, I did it.
Thank
I'm good at it too.
Must be a baby of the family thing.
I'm good at it. Yeah, you're also probably from India.
Yeah.
Who
All
goes?
right, Reed, do you know it or not?
You're a scammer. Oh, this is Jimmy. I am calling to talk to
It's only so if nobody knows the answer, then I get the point.
Yay.
Okay.
Yay.
But didn't I just say the answer?
Yes, you did, but
You
you
said
didn't
it
do
to
it.
an earlier question. It was a similar question. And you answered it right.
Yeah.
Of course I
Do
did.
you understand the question?
What is it?
What is the relationship between the Milky Way and the local group? What does local mean?
Like next to it?
And
Nearby.
I know.
local means near, nearby.
So the galaxy, no, the Milky Way and the local group are next to each other.
No, no. Cool. Oh.
All right,
What was the question you answered before? Do you remember what the question was? It was a true-false question, right, Mrs. LePage?
I think so, yeah.
Yeah. Can you repeat that question? Can you find it? It's a true-false question.
Oh, the true false question was the Milky Way is the galaxy in which we live.
And what was the answer to that?
That was true.
Okay. Now,
That we live in the Milky Way and not the. Well, technically we put our.
local means near us. Us.
Yeah, I know we're in.
Local.
We live in the local group.
Right. And what else do we live
The galaxy,
in? Name.
the Milky Way.
All right. So, what is the relationship between the local group and the Milky Way?
They're both galaxies.
Now, the local group is not a galaxy. It's just a small group of stars.
All right, Gavin.
Okay, so the local group and the galaxy are like wait. The galaxy is part of the local group.
Yes.
That's what I heard you say. Sorry, I was waiting so long I forgot what I was
All right. So the Milky Way is a galaxy. The local
Yes.
group is a group of galaxies. The Milky Way is part of the local group. Does that make sense?
Kind of. Now it's my turn
So
again.
you have the local group, the Milky Way, and here's us.
That's
So
just
basically, we live in a
smaller.
potato.
Basically.
We're smaller.
Do it as an egg, Reed. That's the egg white, the yolk, and we have the yolk, okay? Just think of it that way.
I don't want to be.
Except
there's more than one
All
yolk.
right. The local group is the egg. The Milky Way is the yolk. All right. Okay, so now we're up to Gavin. Your friend tells you that he has found a meteoroid.
That is false because only meteorites are like the ones that enter the
Yes.
atmosphere. Yeah.
So he most likely actually found a meteorite.
Yeah.
Yes. All right, very
Or
good.
he's just lying. Sounds like
Or
Sarah.
it's just a big rock.
Yeah.
Let's just make it.
All right, and then the last question goes to Isabel.
No, me and Gavin will tie.
Your cousin tells you that she reads a horoscope for advice when she needs to make a decision. She claims to be a Christian, but she thinks that the Bible cannot help her in making a decision since it was written so long ago. What will you tell her about why a Christian should not be involved in astrology?
A Christian should not be involved in astrology because it won't help. And if you're in astrology, then you're not believing God because God could help you, and you just need to read the Bible and believe it. Plus, astrology would be wrong.
Why is astrology wrong?
Oh my
Because
gosh,
it's
please.
believing, it's worshiping the stars.
Yes.
No.
Yes. All very good.
It's worshiping
Oh, come on.
Okay, so I'm going to read you
I feel scammed.
the teacher key answer, just so you have an idea. of what it's.
Hey, at least me and Sarah.
That was a great answer, and the one I got yesterday was a great answer. But I'm just going to read you this one so you get it's a little more thorough. Okay. People who study and practice astrology trust the stars and other heavenly bodies for guidance. The Bible is the Word of God, and since God is unchangeable, the Bible applies to people today. God tells us that the Bible should be a lamp unto our feet. Christians should not look for guidance from sources such as horoscopes that do not agree with God's Word.
Well, Sarah, me and you switched spots.
There you go.
Yesterday I was in front of you, and
But we still have more questions to ask, so the game is not over.
Yes.
Alright?
Yes.
So, if I can figure out where we
Wait, look.
left off on
Okay, so that means I'm next.
No, because I know it's me.
Sarah.
No, wait. Oh,
is
yeah.
next.
But- Oh, yeah. What do you mean you'll be you?
Oh, okay.
Did you stop doing
I
that?
don't think
You're
we've gone
spitting
over this
spit
one
all
yet,
over
but
the
you
place.
probably
It's
know it. Hopefully, you know it. Alright. Name the colors of the spectrum in order. So, like the colors of the rainbow.
Oh.
I don't know the colors of the rainbow.
Oh my gosh, Sarah.
Orange.
Yes. Fire drill.
Okay.
Bye, Azalea.